Flash flood emergency for Lake City metro area. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a flash flood warning for western Baker County in northeastern Florida, Columbia County in northern Florida, southeastern Hamilton County in northern Florida, eastern Suwannee County in northern Florida, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 8 and 12 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This is a flash flood emergency for Lake City metro area. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lake City, White Springs, Winfield, Suwannee Valley, 5 Points, Watertown, Belmont and Olustee. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.